Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Raking Profit over at RakingProfit.com. Coming back to you with a new video. I want to share something that I've been looking into recently and bring awareness around this topic for anybody who it may be able to benefit. I want to talk about prep companies, and I want to talk about it in context to selling books on Amazon, especially if you're using eFlip. So eFlip, you can check it out, RakingProfit.com/eFlip. They got a 21-day free trial. Essentially what eFlip allows you to do is filter Amazon and buy books that are undervalued from merchant sellers and then flip it immediately on Amazon FBA. Now, this is something that you don't really want to do if you're a beginner. It's going to take more capital and it's a little riskier, but you can make really good money. And it's great because the margins are really hefty. The books get delivered right to you and you don't have to go out source and whatnot. But the big problem with this method that I found is you're buying from merchant sellers. Merchants are a pain in the butt. They ship 5, 6, 8, 10 days out. You gotta wait for them to deliver it to you. Sometimes the books aren't what they say. You have to grade them. And then obviously you have to list them, pick them, prep them, ship them out to Amazon FBA. It's a whole process. You have to wait to accumulate enough of these merchant books. So what I found as a solution, utilizing something called prep companies. Now what a prep company is and what it does is they pretty much prep and list your books and they even fulfill them for you. So I'm gonna leave a couple links down below to some prep companies or maybe one or two once this video is complete, because I'm actually in the process of researching, interviewing, and going through this process. So I'm just gonna share a couple down below. You're gonna have to do your own research and try them out. I'll make more videos in the future, but essentially what they do in context of books is when you buy a book off of Amazon using eFlip, and you can do this for online arbitrage and even for your own books, but again, you gotta make sure the margins are there. So instead of, like, let me put it this way, once you buy a book using eFlip, what you're normally gonna do is have it shipped to your house. Instead of doing that, you have it shipped out to the prep company. And what's great is most of them are in sales tax-free states. So in Connecticut, I'm getting charged 6.35%. So that's already saving money and helping to pay towards the prep cost. So when you use a prep company, you're gonna ship it to them. When they get it, they're gonna receive it and they're typically gonna store it. And once they get enough books, usually it's like anywhere from 15 to 30 books, depending on the weight, they're gonna open them all up. They're gonna create a spreadsheet for you. They're gonna list all the ASINs. They're gonna grade them. They're gonna condition them. And a lot of these prep companies, I'll leave a few links below, have experience selling books. So they're gonna grade, they're going to note any issues. If it's the wrong book or someone's trying to like pull the wool over your eyes and sell you like a student edition or something like that, they'll let you know. You could send them a return label typically and they'll return it for you free of cost. Some will charge you and they'll even take it a step further. They'll price the items based on your criteria. They'll get a whole shipment together for you and they'll ship it out to the Amazon FBA warehouses. How powerful is that? How cool is that? So based on what I've been doing for research, most of them are charging around $1.50 for this service. Some might be a little cheaper, some might be a little more expensive, but most of the books that I'm sourcing off of eFlip have a 15, a 12, or 22, sometimes upwards to a $50 profit. So why would I not pay $1.50 to have this done? Again, you're gonna have to trust the company. It's out of your hands. I'm sure there's gonna be some challenges and hiccups along the way, but I'm all about that. Making income, not having to do all the legwork. So if you're interested in this video, I want you to type down below in the comments right now, we want to learn more about prep companies, and I'll actually go a step further and maybe bring on some prep company CEOs and do some interviews, maybe do some behind the scenes of what it's really like, maybe have them do some videos inside their prep center and bring some of this information to you because this is something that really is getting me excited right now. So with that being said, like, comment, subscribe. Any questions you have down below, just leave a comment. I'll make a video response or just answer you in the comments. And yeah, keep on picking and making that money, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.